Hi everyone. So today we're gonna discuss about some of the most important books which we need for our JEE prep plus Olympiad prep. Okay. So first of all, you have to be very clear कि तुम्हें क्या करना है. तुम्हें JEE में जाना, Olympiad में जाना, and if you are in class 11th, okay, then you should be very clear, very clear कि तुम्हें JEE करना है, Olympiad करना है, ठीक है. But अगर तुम्हारा आंसर ये है कि उनको दोनों करना है, then उसका भी मैं पार्ट बताता हूँ, ठीक है. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ओनली जेई बुक्स. ओनली जेई मतलब इफ़ यू बाय दिस बुक्स देन डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि इसमें तुम्हें ओलंपियाड कंटेंट मिलेगा या ओलंपियाड इससे कुछ क्लियर हो जाएगा, ठीक है. थोड़ी बहुत हेल्प मिलेगी, ज़्यादा नहीं मिलेगी, ठीक है. आई टेल ओलंपियाड बुक्स सेपरेटली. ओके ओके देखना ज़रा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम जेई बुक्स की बात कर लेते हैं, जेई बुक्स के बारे में. स्पेशली मैं फिजिक्स की बात कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि फिजिक्स का ही अपना मोटिव है, ठीक है. देखो यार, टू स्टार्ट अ चैप्टर, ओके, आई वुड से कि अगर तुम थ्योरी किसी टीचर से पढ़ रहे हो, ठीक है, थ्योरी तुम किसी टीचर से पढ़ना, कोई बुक से मत पढ़ने बैठना, ठीक है. टू स्टार्ट द चैप्टर, ओके, आई वुड से यू कैन यूज अनुराग मिश्रा. I have personally solved and experienced that these books, Anurag Mishra or Rahul Sardana, these books are very good and contain very good solved examples, okay, which will eventually boost your confidence level as well as your ability in solving the problems of physics, okay. Rahul Sardana. Okay, these are like Singe's books, okay, मतलब ये Singe जैसी है, where we'll be getting some solved examples, then in the back exercise you'll be getting a lot of questions, okay. So I would suggest personally कि just read theory and do solved examples only. Don't go to back exercise, okay. Don't go to back exercise, okay. They have multiple solved examples, like I would say कि per chapter you have around 30 to 35 solved examples, then and that's very enough, okay. That's very enough. You have to do only 120 to 200 questions per chapter, and you are just getting 30 to 40 questions here only in solved examples type, okay. There you'll be getting the answers and all, okay. So I hope to start a particular chapter, let's say I'm starting Newton law of motion, okay. So I'll just open अनुराग मिश्रा. जैसे मैंने आज लेक्चर नंबर 3 कंप्लीट कर लिया, ठीक है. सर ने जो टॉपिक पढ़ाया वो मैं यहाँ पे आके इसके सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल किए और मैं आगे बता रहा हूँ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, ओके. अनुराग मिश्रा ये होगा, ओके. And some of you guys might ask what about HC Verma. So I'll suggest कि HC Verma is okay, but not that okay when you talk about the level of problems, okay. JEE has increased their level, so we have to also increase our levels, okay, according to that, okay. So let's talk about point number 2, which is to just take yourself to a little bit of next level. You can I would suggest you can do Erudov. Erudov is definitely not that much relevant to JEE, but when we talk about boosting our confidence and solving some tough problems which would require great thinking ability, then I prefer Erudov, okay. And Erudov contains a lot of calculus based questions which will eventually improve your calculus based approach, okay. Erudov, okay. Second choice is Erudov, and this is not easy book, okay. You have to struggle in some questions. You will be struggling in some questions, and just don't give up, okay, in between. Struggle with them, and after attempting it for nearly about 10 to 15 times, then you can just see the solution, okay. Don't see the solution earlier, okay. Otherwise it would be a waste book. You will not be getting any benefit from that book, okay. When you are completed with these two books, okay, now you have solved around 70 to 80 questions from both of the books, okay. Now your JEE is done here. Okay. You don't need any more books, but okay, I would say that with the help of these two books you can get any rank you want, okay. But if you want an edge, or if you want a little bit of boost over others, you can use my personally favorite book known as Pathfinder, and only selected problems only. You don't have to solve it fully, okay. It's very tough book. Selected problems, okay. It's very tough book. You don't have to solve it fully. If you want, I'll just give the solutions as well, plus famous problems and important problems for JEE Advanced, okay. Selected problems. So these are the set of 3 books which you can buy, okay. And last lastly, for your revision slot, you can use SBT, Shashi Bhushan Tiwari book for revision. Okay, not earlier, for revision when you have completed your 11th or 12th and you have your JEE mains or advanced exam in 3 to 4 months later, then you can use SBT anytime. Okay, it's very good book and my personally used book. Okay, so we have completed with the JEE section. Okay, now let's come to Olympiad section, physics Olympiad section. Okay, now physics Olympiad is divided into three parts. Okay, first one, which is NSEP, National Standard Examination in Physics. Second one is INPHO, Indian National Physics Olympiad. And third one is IPHO, which is International Physics Olympiad. Okay, just here, when we talk about using any book of NSEP, if you have prepared well for JEE mains and little bit of JEE advance, then I can say you can clear NSEP easily. Okay, the only book you require is, you can just clear it by, I would say, if you use HCV, if you use HC Verma, you can easily clear it. Okay, NSCP doesn't have that much of level when we talk about physics Olympiad. NSCP is a basic exam which does not test your deep thinking ability, it just tests your speed and your accuracy. Okay, so you can use HCV anytime, and I would suggest you can go for Cengage. Cengage, you can just solve it for more confidence. Okay. Okay, now when we talk about INPHO is relatively very tough as compared to NSCP, and the level between them is very high. Okay, मतलब उनके बीच का जो difference है वो बहुत ज़्यादा high है. Okay, INPHO you get around 5 to 6 problems and you have 3 hours to solve them. Okay, so you can expect what kind of problem they will give you. Okay, so I would suggest for INPHO you can use Irodov. Irodov is still basic book for INPHO. Irodov Pathfinder full, no selected problems, full Pathfinder. You have to try to solve full Pathfinder. Okay, and little bit of Krotov, I would suggest. Okay, if you solve this, I won't be guaranteeing you that you will be clear this INPHO, but yeah, if you have the ability, you can clear it. Okay, now let's talk about IPHO. IPHO is a different game and like, you won't be getting any advantage if you use some of the like popular books like Krotov 200% problem in physics and 200 more percent problem in physics and more. Okay, जो भी नाम है, ठीक है. I would suggest कि if you have qualified it, and इसके बीच में कैंप भी होता है, OSCC कैंप होता है, ठीक है. If you have cleared it, then only you move to IPHO and you have the chance to represent India in the International Physics Olympiad. Okay, now see, for IPHO, I don't think that you need a particular book, but you can solve 200% problems in physics and past year papers of INPHO, past year papers of IPHO. Okay, so that's it. Itni books you need. Okay, if you want to score any rank in JEE Advance, or you have to clear INPHO, or you have to represent India at the international level in physics Olympiad, so that's all.